lot of us have had mediations that get moved because we're hearing, I can't do it, I need people in person. Your job is to make it as easy as possible for the other side to accept. So don't just give the names of mediators. Provide the name of the mediator, their availability, the time you're available. Do it as soon as possible. Provide a link to the mediation service to show that they can do it remotely, easily, and you take the laboring oar and get it done. Look, this isn't going to work every time, but if you've got 100 cases and it works 20% of the time, that's 20 cases you move forward that you hadn't before. Do not accept no. Do not accept I can't. Turn the hearing aid down and it's as if they never even did it. Think proactively of how you can accomplish things. And if they say no, ask them again. If they say no, ask them again. Make it easy.